Steelmama are the professional manufacturer for roll forming machine in China. We export roll forming machinery all over the world. Manual feed shears deliver smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. The frame panel thickness is 16, which is more stable. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. With automated controls and a max speed of 15 to 30 meters per minute. Hydraulic drive, automatic positioning and cutting. Can reduces manufacturing costs and shortens lead times. Commitment. Delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.